What are Snapchat tips and tricks for beginners? Snapchat is a popular messaging app that allows users to send photos and videos that disappear after a set amount of time. The app has a variety of features that can be used to enhance your snaps, and there are a few tips and tricks that can help you get the most out of Snapchat. Here are a few tips and tricks for beginners. Use the filters and lenses. Snapchat has a variety of filters and lenses that can be used to add fun effects to your snaps. To access the filters, swipe left or right from the camera screen. To access the lenses, double tap on your face. Add text and drawings. You can add text and drawings to your snaps by tapping on the text or drawing icon at the bottom of the screen. Use the timer and countdown. The timer and countdown can be used to give you more time to compose your snaps. To use the timer, tap on the timer icon at the bottom of the screen. To use the countdown, tap on the countdown icon at the bottom of the screen. Send snaps to a group. You can send snaps to a group of friends by tapping on the plus icon at the top of the screen and selecting the friends you want to send a snap to. Create a private story. Stories are a great way to share your day with your friends. To create a story, tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and select My Story. You can then add snaps to your story by tapping on the camera icon. Watch other people's stories. To watch other people's stories, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. You can also tap on the profile icon of a friend to watch their story. Add friends. To add friends, tap on the plus icon at the top of the screen and select Add Friends. You can then search for friends by their name or username. Change your settings. To change your settings, tap on your profile icon and select Settings. You can then change your username, password, and other settings. I hope these tips and tricks help you get the most out of Snapchat.